Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning in. So I like every now and then to have a whiskey drink. Not that big of a fan of having it on the rocks. I mean, yes, sometimes I like it chilled down, but I don't really like to have the drink diluted when the ice melts. So you got to drink it kind of fast. But then again, you kind of want to sip and savor the drink. So what do? Well, you have your, the whiskey stones you can use, which I've seen come in metal and also actual stone. Have not really tried those, not really thinking that I want to try those. But I've also seen in some bars where they serve these really large ice cubes, and which takes longer to melt down, giving you more time to drink your drink, which is cooler than just straight up. So with that in mind, I saw these. These are called the Froz Ice Sphere Mold. So not an ice cube, it's an ice sphere. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box. So you get, these cool spheres. You can put them right in your drinks. Not only, whiskey, but other drinks as well. So let's check it out. In the box, it says it's by Houseware Solutions. It has food grade silicone, FDA approved, oh boy, dishwasher safe, leak proof design, BPA-Free, non-stick, easy to fill, easy to open. You got all the pluses right there. I mean, what else do you need? I don't know if they could add any more of those great features. Pretty cool. Let's check it out. So in the box, I did take it out of the plastic wrap before just to make it easier to open up. But in the box, let's go ahead, slide it out. We have our getting started guide right here. So it's good to have. Just talks about freezing. You don't want extra ice forming, so you get the ice ball and then a little bit more. You don't want that. And they have a thank you card. It says thanks for buying this product. So that's pretty cool. And then we actually have the ice mold right here. So it's a silicone mold, and you've probably seen something like this for cakes or soap making, but I guess this makes it so it's waterproof when you pour the water in. And it has a nice design on the bottom there, so we can easily sit it down. We don't have to worry about it moving. And then we can go ahead, open it up. You'll see right there. And that's how you're gonna pop them out once they are frozen. So that's pretty cool. We got those two pieces right there. It says froze on the side, if you can see that. We're gonna pour the water in. So of course, we're gonna check that out. We're gonna see how it works in the drinks, see how easy it is to use. And if you ever used either this brand or another brand, or even those whiskey stones, metal or stone, let us know. Comment below and tell us what you think, how you like to do it, and any recommendations if you used one of these before. Maybe something that's a different flavor for other types of drinks besides whiskey, something that we're not thinking about that'd be cool with the spheres. So just let us know below. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and of course don't forget to check out some related playlists and also some cool videos that YouTube's going to recommend from us as well. That's best for you. So I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe. I'm Alan, and we'll see you soon.